West Michigan. Going to be doing a lot of this today, or squinting, whatever. We have lots of sunshine in the forecast. And of course, that means that you might want to put on the sunscreen too. The first sunburns of the season likely happening this weekend. Temperatures will reach the upper 70s today, if not a couple of those 80-degree readings farther south. We keep all the sunshine through sunset. That happens at 8:27. And then giving way to a very starry night. By the way, anytime we have all of this sunshine and warm air in the forecast, that does send the pollen particles flying as well. So we have maple, juniper, poplar, all very high today. And it's not going to be until next week, when rain is in the forecast, that will wash some of that pollen from the air. Okay, so sunshine and sneezes in your Sunday forecast. Meeting you right back here on News Channel 3 at 6:30. Enjoy your weekend.